Hello everyone, a very good morning, noon and the evening at whatever time you are watching this video. Welcome to the Fight to Fear. Hope all are doing well. This is Ashraf Yashay here. Today's video is that how we can create an interest in the learning or the studies. Many of us are like that, we are not having an interest in the study. होता है हम सबको, हम सब में से बहुत से ऐसे हैं जिन्हें स्टडीज़ में बिल्कुल भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता है. Few of us don't even try to sit for the studies, and few of us at least try to sit for the studies because of the parents or the family pressure only. So here I have one solution for this. Hope it will work for you also. So those who really want to make or create an interest in the studies, watch it till the end. So without wasting time, let's start. Now we all are having few habits. Yes, we all are having few habits, like when we wake up in the morning, we used to brush up our teeth, get freshen up. Some are having the habits of morning walk. When they wake up, they used to go to morning walk. Some are having the habits like they used to read the newspaper in the morning. होता है ना, आफ्टर मॉर्निंग टी किसी को हैबिट्स होती है कि आफ्टर मॉर्निंग टी डायरेक्टली दे वांट द न्यूज़पेपर फॉर द रीडिंग. इट्स अ गुड हैबिट एक्चुअली. we all should have this habit. So likewise we all are having few habits. Now for a while, just keep all these habits aside. First I would like to share one story. Actually it's not a story, it's an experiment which has been done by the Russian physiologist Ivan Pavlov. He has done an experiment with the dog. Ivan Pavlov जो थे Russian physiologist, उन्होंने एक experiment किया था with the help of dog. So what he did in this experiment, now you will think that why she is explaining this experiment, this story or the experiment. So actually this is only that gonna help in your study interest actually. So let's start with the story or the experiment. So in this experiment what he did, उन्होंने एक dog को लिया, कुछ देर तक उन्होंने उस dog को भूखा रखा, and then after the few hours he gave the food. जब उन्होंने food provide किया dog को, so what he observed, the Russian physiologist, the Pavlov, what he observed, actually those who are the B.Ed or the D.Ed aspirants, they might be aware of this theory or the experiment about the Pavlov. So what he did in the experiment, उन्होंने जब खाना दिया तो what he observed that dog start to salivate. जो dog है वो salivation start कर रहा है after watching the food. It happens with also us ना, when we are hungry, जब हम भूखे होते हैं, सामने खाना है, खाना तो दूर की बात, खुशबू से ही मुंह में पानी आना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. So same thing here happened with the dog also. Now next day what he did, before giving, same thing he did, that he kept the dog hunger. उन्होंने dog को कुछ देर तक भूखा रखा. Then after a few hours he gave with the food, he provided with the food to the dog. So क्या किया उन्होंने, food देने से पहले, खाना देने से पहले he rang the bell. What next day he did, he changed the routine that before giving the food first he rang the bell. जब उन्होंने बेल बजाई फिर खाना दिया, so he did the same thing repeatedly a few days. उन्होंने कुछ दिन तक same thing repeat किया. Then after few days what he did, he rang the bell but didn't provide with the food. What he did, उन्होंने बेल तो बजाई but खाना नहीं दिया. Still what he observed, that I didn't provide with the food but I rang the bell, still the dog is saliving. What he observed, that still the dog is saliving. Now what he conclude, that dog made his habit. डॉग को पता चल गया कि मुझको बेल बजती है खाना आता है, बेल बजती है खाना आता है, ये डॉग को समझ आ गया था. तो जो डॉग का ब्रेन था, ही केप्ट इट एज द हैबिट ऑफ डॉग. व्हाट हैपेंड, द डॉग का जो ब्रेन था, ही केप्ट दिस थिंग्स, दिस रूटीन एज हिज हैबिट, कि ये इसकी हैबिट है, डेली बेल बज रही है, खाना आ रहा है, मतलब इसकी ये हैबिट है. तो सो डॉग ने ये चीज़ को क्या किया था, एज अ हैबिट बना लिया था. सो जब कुछ दिनों के बाद जो पावलाव थे, उन्होंने जब खाना दिया, उस खाना नहीं दिया, फिर बेल बजाई बट खाना नहीं दिया, एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो इट हैपन दैट डॉग स्टार्ट टू सलाइवेट. नाउ सेम थिंग happens with human as well. We can correlate this thing with the learning here, with the study here. If we do the few things, if we do things regularly, the brain keep these things, this work as our habit. हम मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं, ब्रशअप करते हैं, फ्रेशन अप होते हैं. Why? Because it's our habit. And why it's our habit? Because we are doing this regularly. Why? Because we are doing this regularly. जिन्हें न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग की हैबिट होती है, why they are having this habit? बिकॉज दे आर डूइंग दिस रेगुलरली, वो रेगुलरली इस चीज़ को कर रहे हैं. सो सेम थिंग वी कैन अप्लाई विद द स्टडी ऑल्सो. नाउ हियर व्हाट वी कैन डू विद द स्टडी, वी कैन सिलेक्ट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम फॉर दिस स्टडी, and at that time we can start to study. We can select the half an hour, 1 hour, whatever time you will like, or whatever time you would like to study, that time you can select first. And if you will do this study at that time at least for a week or 10 days, trust me, it will become your habit. At that time you don't have to say that अरे यार it's a time to study, now I have to go for this study, मुझको पढ़ने के लिए जाना होगा, टाइम हो गया है. This thing you don't have to say now. What you will say, automatically your brain will keep it. All the body control is on which hand? Who is having the body control? Our brain. Who is commanding us? Our brain. And what he is commanding, how he is controlling the body? Based on the behavior what we are doing. All the activities, whatever activities we are doing, our brain keep it as a habit. So if you want that your study should be your habit, so try this experiment on your study. Sit it at your home for an hour, for half an hour at least, sit and try. I know it may create some difficulty, it may be difficult for you for 4 or 5 days, but trust me, after a week or 10 days, you trust me, you will believe in this theory. You will become a habitual of study, you will become a habitual of learning. So do it, go and do it. Those who really want to create an interest, just do it. Best of luck everyone.